Welcome to Mostly Square. My name is Sasha. I'm going to be doing a quick little unboxing video of this beautiful machine. It's OrangeStorm Giga by Elegoo. Let's get started. So as you guys can see, these are some huge boxes. Now I believe the top box is the left and right Z-axis assembly, and I believe the second one is the base. Now between the two boxes, this is the smallest one, and it measures 53 inches by 48 and a half. And I'll measure the second one once we get to it. So I pre-opened the box already just so I can make it easier on myself. Let's look inside. Now here's the first axis. I am 6'5", and this beast is huge. Got a little heft to it too. I'll put this at the wall or somewhere. I gotta find a spot. I don't want to damage it. 90-degree angles. I'm guessing to tighten the corners up. There's 8 of them. There's 8 of them, I guess, for top and bottom. And here's the second one. Wow, beautiful. Oh, where shall we put this? Then we got the bars. This looks like the back bar. And the front bar. Elegoo. Put these to the side. And I believe that's it for the first box. So let's just admire these left and right Z-axes. I mean, Elegoo has really outdone themselves. This thing is sturdy. So let's open the second box. But before we open the second box, the dimensions were probably the same for the length and the width. It's just this one's a little bit deeper. Yep, 48 and a half by 53. The first one, yeah, it sure is 17 inches deep. And the first one, get off camera for a second, it's 14 and a half inches. So I didn't pre-open this one. This one, you're just gonna have to look at my beautiful face while I open it. So it looks like we have some PLA Plus filament, the Rapid PLA by Elegoo. It's pretty sweet. Free filament. Let's see. This is probably where all tools are at. Bolts, screws, the manual. Nice hefty power supply, power cord. Got the lube. We have the filament. Breakage. Filament breakage. And this one's yeah, filament breakage. And this is for the big spool, and this is for the little spool. And Ethernet cable, all that good stuff is in here. Everything we need to put this machine together. Put this back. Let's see. Spool holder. I think this is for the big spools. To hold the 5 kilogram spools. What is this? Oh, nice. Oh, she's beautiful. Look at that beautiful screen. By Elegoo. Okay. What else? Oh, here's the head unit. Beautiful. Plastic. Hopefully it doesn't jam like the rest of the people are complaining about. Alright, let's get her out. She's a beaut too. Check it out, guys. Ain't that beautiful? Look how big it is. Woo! I'm gonna have some fun with this. Sweating over here, man. This thing's breaking a sweat. A big old spool holder. We got a beautiful head unit. Beautiful Elegoo screen. Spool holder. Like I said again, tools, user manual, nice looking power cord, the feeders, or the detectors, lube, nozzles, got a 1, 0.8, 0.6, and the 0.4, and then all the screws to put this beautiful baby together. All right, so on the bottom over here, I don't know if you guys can see, but that looks like the base of the operations, and these two pieces right here are the leveling assistants to level out the bed. There's not that much room, but it's pretty cool. Look at that. 800 by 800 by 1,000. She is a big one. Ow, she's heavy too. All right, as you guys can see, this is the back of the machine. It has 4 power supplies that power up all the axes, and then I believe one over here on the bottom that powers up. These power up the bed, I believe, the beds, and this one powers up all the axes. Whew, that took my breath from my fat ass. Whew. She is beautiful. Now, I'm gonna have to make some room. So over here, we have the X and the Y axis. And here, these beautiful things are the left and the right Z axis. And these two, this is the front and this is the back. And then moving over here, we have the base. Right beside it, we have the levelers for the base. I'm interested in how that's gonna work. All right guys, so this is the end of the unboxing video. Hopefully I showed you everything that comes in the box. There's not that many pieces, to tell you the truth. 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. That's it. Hopefully it's gonna be as easy to put it together and get it up and running. Hopefully. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, and make sure you keep your eye on the following video of me assembling this sucker and testing it out. Catch you later.